पॉलिटेक्निक भी होगा तो हमारा उस पे पूरा ध्यान है। तो आपके अगर कोई भी सुझाव है तो अपने सुझाव ज़रूर हमारे साथ शेयर करें, चाहे आपके जो भी हो। तो थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Insight. Now invite Group 3 participants, Ravindra Munje, the Sridhar Singham, the G. Krishnan, Dr. Smith Gadagi, Dr. DVR Mohan, come forward and share your learning experience.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, respected guests, dear faculty and students, good evening to all of you. First, I would like to introduce my teammates. Myself, Professor DVR Mohan, coming from Andhra Pradesh, SRKR Engineering. I am from ECE background. Sir, from Telangana State with electrical background. Next, Dr. Amit, mechanical background. Next, Dr. Dakar, again mechanical background. And Kirtana, aeronautical engineering background. I have attended many workshops in my 38 years of teaching experience. Morning I was Googling. Prabhat Ranjan sir did his 10th class in 1975. I also did in the same year, my 10th class. I don't know Prabhat sir's age, but my age is 62 years. My college is kind enough to extend my service up to 65 years. That's why I came here. Right, sir. So to earn money, what do we need? We need money to start with. Just like that, to get an idea, we need a small idea. So such plenty of ideas we got all these 5 days here, and we are very confident that we can make this Idea Lab successful in our respective colleges. Coming to Prabhat Ranjan sir, Saxena sir, Dhananjay sir, Ansane sir, what a brilliant team. So I've been observing since that long ago during online sessions. They are all so particular to make this Idea Lab a success in the entire country. Suppose the same concept is there in European countries or in Asian small countries, immediately they'll be successful. But in our country, having 130 crores of population, very difficult to make a plan successful. But who are going to do that? Yes, we teachers have the responsibility, and we should make it successful even though our country is big. That's how Idea Lab will be useful for the students with hands-on experience. Right. So we have done a project because we were given a task that we should include all the 4 concepts in one project. That's why we have used here wood. With a wood routing machine, we could cut the wood plates according to our requirement, and afterwards with the laser cutting machine, we cut the acrylic sheets according to our requirement, and then in the PCB lab, we have designed the required circuit, corresponding PCB. Afterwards, we included the components, soldered and tested. It worked for the first time. So afterwards, we extended the circuit by including 2 more LEDs, totally 4 LEDs. And then we also have the facility of varying this flickering speed of LEDs. So we named this as LED, 3D LED. L stands for laser engraving design. So LED is also there internally in that title. Because all the 4 concepts to be included, it seemed difficult initially, but we could include all the concepts. And finally, 3D printer concept should also be included. That's why, as a decorative item, we have included the flower, 3D printed flower. And so within the given time, we could do this much only. And finally, we have become fans of Dr. Dubey sir. He was the first person to come to the campus every day and last person to leave the campus. Thank you very much, sir, for your constant support. So definitely we'll make Idea Lab a successful one. Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening, all the dignitaries on the dais and dais, participants. I will just talk about 3 points. The first one is that thanks to all the lab coordinators, renowned speakers, experts, for empowering us to use various machines that we are going to use in Idea Lab. Before coming here, there was different thinking about using 3D machines, CNC wood router, but now confidently I can say that I can handle it, I can use it. I know programming about all these machines, so I can do that. Second point is that when we say Idea Lab, several times in the discussion also it was said that the lab is going to be open for 24 hours. So here in this FDP, we not only learned about using machines and softwares, but we also learned to work almost for 24 hours. But because we used to come at 8:30 here and we used to leave at 7:30 around, because हम घर क्यों जाते थे, क्योंकि अंधेरा होता था. Otherwise, we would have been here only to work on our project. So this culture of working in a lab for 24 hours that we have learned here, and probably we will empower our students in our institute to work for 24 hours. And third point is that every time our chairman, steering committee chairman Prabhat Ranjan sir say that this Idea Lab is a movement and we need to go like this only. And this Idea Lab is given to 49 institutes in India. So it has become a chain. So on this, I would like to say that, sir, हाथों में पकड़ा हुआ हाथ है, हाथों में पकड़ा हुआ हाथ है, अभी बहुत कुछ करना है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है. So once again, thank you.
Yeah, myself Kirtana Krishnan. I'm from Rajdhani Engineering College from Kerala, and I'm from Aeronautical Department. So when I boarded my flight from Cochin, I had different thoughts what was going in my mind, like what's Idea Lab, what kind of training would it be. So, but from the day one, you can ask this coordinator, you can see like I was very enthusiastic, like I was running there and here, because the training section, hands-on training session was like, it's incredible. And all the faculties here, just hands off to you, because beyond time, they were ready to work beyond the time. See, even though I have, in our college, we all might have experienced different faculty development program, or we might have coordinated different events, but we have some time limit. So before time limit, we need to like wind up. But this FTP session was entirely different. All the faculties were very supportive, and they were very patient, and they were very curious what we would be doing, what's our idea. They're also very curious to know what's our idea, and very helpful. And thank you, sir. Thank you all faculties, and especially the students in PCB lab. Actually, EC is not too easy. Electronic department is not too easy for me, and at the same time, electrical department also. But the students, actually, I forget his name. Shivakumar, yes. He was a person, he sat near me and he was explaining, ma'am, we can do it, we can do it. I said, no, I can't, the circuits went wrong. But he sat very patiently, and I was like a student and he was like a teacher, and he's a very good teacher, I would say, because very good patient teacher. he was like, he was sat around me and he said, ma'am, you just try it. I'm there. I'm there. He was giving some confidence in me. So yeah, it's hands off to him. And I would like to thank him in front of you. And I would like to say about our coordinator, because it's very difficult to coordinate an event. And it's a 6-day program too. And we are from different states. We are here and with different tempered person. So as our temper changes, he managed to control us. He manages very patiently. That's the thing. So it's a great thing, and it's easy to coordinate a student event, but it's very difficult to coordinate a faculty seriously. And not only that, beyond depending on the designation, the year of experience, it all a factor. That's why I said it's very difficult to coordinate a faculty group with different tempered person. So great, you have done it very well, sir. So thank you so much. And ultimate thing, I would thank our Vice Chancellor. Because of him, because of his initiative, we all are here. So thank you, sir. And as we have learned as I said, we have learned many things. And at the end of the day, we can see some products with us. It's all done by ourselves individually with the teamwork, ultimate thing. So thank you, sir. Thank you for this initiative. And I thank all the faculty members from different states who are here. We were like a family. At the end of the day, seriously, I feel so little, with sadness, I'm leaving the stage, because it was, even though we were just met for 6 days, it was very happy, and we were like a family. So anyway, thank you all. Thank you. That's